everyone, my name is Julie Moon and I'm here at Moon Physical Therapy in Honolulu, Hawaii. Cami and I are going to be showing you today back stabilization exercises in the water, which will help relieve and or prevent low back pain. So here at our facility, we have an endless pool. It's a heated endless pool, and we typically get a lot of chronic pain patients, low back pain patients. And they've tried everything from chiropractors, massage, your traditional land-based physical therapy. And when they enter the pool, you're actually able to see the relief that they have on their faces. Some of our patients have even gotten a little bit teary-eyed because they feel the relief due to the buoyancy of the water. So the buoyancy of the water actually helps provide a natural traction for their spine. And if there's any pinching on the nerves, it can relieve those symptoms. So Cami is going to be showing you a few exercises that we do here for our low back pain patients. First of all, she's going to be finding her neutral spine position. So the neutral spine position is the most comfortable position that you can find in your low back. And as she finds it, she's going to maintain her abdominal and her back muscles contracted. We're going to be taking her through some arm exercises. Her goal is to maintain trunk stability at all times as the water's trying to push her in different directions. So you're really getting a great workout in the core muscles the entire time that you're in the water. So the first thing that she's going to do is a lateral raise, and she's having to keep her core contracted the entire time as she's raising the hydrotone bells and pushing down to her hips. Good. She's making sure that her knees are not locked and her elbows are not locked either. Then she's going to go into a front raise. So this one is a little bit harder because she's pushing the water down towards her. So she's really having to keep that neutral spine position. Good. So you're getting a total body workout here because you're having to stabilize with your legs. You're keeping your core muscles contracted the entire time, and you're working against resistance using the hydrotone bells. Good. And then she's going to do a fly. So she's trying to maintain her stability. Good. And if this is hard for you, you can always do a staggered stance where one foot is in front of the other one. Good. And if you're using hydrotone bells, to make it easier, you would go halfway in, halfway out of the water, or to make it harder, you would immerse the hydrotone bells all the way in the water. You can also use paddles, gloves, or foam dumbbells. Okay, and then the last one is a push-pull. So as she's pushing and pulling through the water, she's resisting the need to turn her torso with the hands. To make it easier, you can always bring the hydrotone bells up about halfway in, halfway out of the water. Or to make it harder, you would just immerse the dumbbells in. So the last two exercises, we're going to be using the kickboard to help stabilize her back muscles. So she's putting both hands on the kickboard. She wants to make sure that the kickboard is close to her body as she's pushing the kickboard down into the water. And then slowly back up just to the surface of the water, so she's controlling the movement so she doesn't let the kickboard pop up. And what this is doing, it's really working to help strengthen her abdominal muscles. And she'll do again about 10 or 20 reps. And then the final exercise with the kickboard is a lateral push-pull. So she's holding the kickboard right in the middle of her body. One hand underneath and one hand on the top, and she's pushing just to her shoulder and then back to the middle. And what that does, it actually helps strengthen all the rotators up and down her spine because she's trying to resist the movement to turn. And she's going to go to the other side. Good. Keeping good posture, tummy muscles tight. So these are just some of the exercises that we use here for our back patients at Moon Physical Therapy. If you have any questions or you would like to contact me, please give me a call at 597-1005. Bye, Harvey.